Hi, I'm Anusha, and I'm a senior in computer engineering. I'm the internal vice president of ECE.
Hi, my name is Richa Vijayvergiya, and I'm an electrical engineering student in my 5th year of undergraduate. I'm also the president for Women in ECE.
Hello, my name is Saisita Marirala, and I'm the academic director for ECE.
Hi, I'm Pooja Kankani, a senior majoring in computer engineering, and I'm one of the external vice presidents for Women in ECE. I've been a part of
What we see is a student-run organization that is dedicated to helping and supporting the women in our electrical and computer engineering department.
My involvement with VC has immensely helped me improve my leadership skills and empowered me to work towards my goals.
ECE has had such a tremendous impact on my life. I think the biggest impact that it's had is the support community it's given me in ECE.
Students of all genders are welcome to be active in our RSO, and what we strive to do is to build a strong community amongst ourselves and the department.
As a freshman, I joined ECE to find my community and safe space where I can feel comfortable in my major by connecting with other women who share similar experiences.
One of the biggest reasons that I've seen that ECE Illinois helps support women and other minorities is by creating women-only office hours.
I've been a part of VC since my freshman year. VC has been more than just an RSO for me. I've learned and grown so much from the amazing people I've met through our various events.
I also think one really important part of ECE that I've gained from it is the mentorship.
Personally, meeting and collaborating with these smart and motivated women has made me more confident, happy, and driven to work harder.
Joining ECE has set me up for success for my college career.
And that's why I hope you come and join us, because it's a great community and I think you'll get a lot out of it. Congratulations again on being accepted, and I really hope that you take this opportunity to come see us.